If you're tired of spending an hour cooking dinner, washing multiple pots afterward, and still feeling like meal prep takes over your entire evening, this might be the kitchen upgrade you've been looking for. But with so many multi-cookers on the market, is the Instant Pot Duo Plus actually worth your money? Or is it just another appliance that ends up collecting dust? The Instant Pot Duo Plus 9-in-1 multi-cooker has become one of the most popular kitchen appliances for busy families, meal preppers, and anyone who wants homemade food without spending half the day in the kitchen. It's designed to replace several appliances at once, combining pressure cooking, slow cooking, rice cooking, steaming, sautéing, yogurt making, sterilizing, sous vide cooking, and warming into a single compact unit. The big question is whether it actually delivers enough convenience to justify the counter space. Right out of the box, the Duo Plus feels solid and well-built. The stainless steel exterior gives it a clean, modern look that fits into almost any kitchen without looking bulky or outdated. The control panel is one of the first things you'll notice. Unlike older models that can feel intimidating, this version uses a bright, easy-to-read display that clearly shows cooking time, temperature, and pressure status. Even if you've never used a pressure cooker before, the interface feels approachable rather than overwhelming. The cooking pot itself deserves special mention. It uses a durable stainless steel construction with a sturdy tri-ply bottom that distributes heat evenly. In practical terms, that means better browning when you're sautéing ingredients and fewer hot spots that can cause food to stick. Everything feels designed for long-term use rather than short-term convenience, which is reassuring considering this is an appliance many people use several times a week. Where the Duo Plus really shines is day-to-day performance. Pressure cooking is incredibly fast and can dramatically reduce cooking times for foods that usually take hours. Tough cuts of meat become tender, dried beans cook without overnight soaking, and soups come together much faster than they would on a stovetop. For busy parents or professionals getting home after work, that time savings can make a real difference. The slow cooking function performs reliably for stews, chili, and comfort food recipes, while the rice cooking program consistently delivers fluffy rice without requiring constant attention. The steaming and yogurt making functions are nice bonuses that add versatility, especially for people who enjoy experimenting in the kitchen. What stands out most is how easy it is to switch between cooking methods without needing separate appliances cluttering your cabinets. One feature many users appreciate is the easy release steam switch. Older pressure cookers often made steam release feel intimidating, but this system feels safer and more controlled. Combined with the numerous built-in safety mechanisms, it creates a more confidence-inspiring experience for first-time users. Compared to other multi-cookers in the same price range, the Instant Pot Duo Plus sits in a very strong position. Budget models often offer fewer cooking programs and less intuitive controls, while premium competitors sometimes cost significantly more without delivering dramatically better everyday results. The Duo Plus strikes a sweet spot between affordability, versatility, and ease of use. The included recipe app with hundreds of recipes also provides extra value for beginners who want guidance. So who is this perfect for? Busy families, meal preppers, home cooks looking to save time, and anyone wanting to simplify weeknight cooking will likely get tremendous value from it. On the other hand, if you rarely cook at home or have extremely limited kitchen space, you may not take full advantage of everything it offers. At the end of the day, the Instant Pot Duo Plus earns its reputation because it solves real problems. It saves time, reduces cleanup, simplifies cooking, and replaces multiple kitchen appliances with one dependable machine. If that's exactly what you're looking for, it's easy to see why so many households continue to rely on it. If you found this review helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more honest product reviews. And if you want to check current pricing, discounts, or availability on the Instant Pot Duo Plus, you'll find a link waiting in the description below. Sometimes the best kitchen upgrade isn't adding more gadgets. It's finding one that genuinely makes everyday cooking easier.